Good morning, campers. This is DJ Rockin' Roxy coming at ya. I hope you all are having fun on the last day at camp. It's been a great summer. The weather outside today is wonderful. It's very sunny. Make sure you put on your sunscreen. Just wanted to let you know that tomorrow the pickup time will be at 2 o'clock, so make sure you get lots of rest tonight. And I'm very, very happy that I had all of you guys out here at camp this year, and I hope to see you again next year. It's been a blast. So this is Rockin' Roxy signing out for the last time this summer.
Dwayne, buddy, what's going on? What are you doing up here all alone?
I just don't feel like going outside.
Oh, come on, you gotta open up to me. You know, we're boys, we're buddies. Dwayne, you know what I mean? Frankie.
I haven't made